Good day, King and Queens. This video today is about thinning throughout the shaft of your lock. This is just a quick method that I use personally on my locks. So I'm just using some 100% human hair Afro Kinky bulk. I start wrapping the hair from the top to the bottom. Some people do it vice versa. It's definitely your preference. I purchased this crochet set at Michael's and used the 1.25 millimeter. Now with this process, you want to make sure that the hook of the needle is facing you, and you're pretty much going in and pulling loose hairs from one side out on the other side. And you'll see how it gets fuzzy on one side, and from pulling all that loose hair through, and you flip it over and you do the same thing to the other side, and then you're going to notice that all your hairs are going to start to look more uniform and like a lock, of course. Give it a nice palm roll, and voila, we have a beautiful, beautiful repaired lock. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just comment below.